this morning. You can see right here even photos of hail in Blackburn. Thank you, Karen Chaplin, for sending those in.
Yeah, Zach, quite a bit of a difference now than what we were seeing this morning. That's some large hail there.
Yeah, and really appreciate you putting something next to it, a quarter, a $50. That one hailstone we saw was larger than $50. That's a little likely. It was closer to 1.5 inches in diameter. Now you're starting to get near golf ball, ping pong ball size hail as that storm was rolling quickly through southern Washington County, right over Winslow. We had the possibilities of up to tennis ball size hail. Radar was indicating up to tennis ball size hail with it. That hail core was strong and had intensified quickly. That updraft, it pulsed up and down, cycled multiple times. Started to weaken some, but still maintained some pretty strong intensity there as it pushed across. There you go, right there. That's the strongest storm that we had this morning, right across northern Franklin and Johnson counties, right through the Boston Mountains. Good news is it's rural there, but there's still, like we saw, there's a few folks out there in those that were impacted by the storm, likely saw some potentially considerable to severe hail damage this morning. That cluster of storms has rolled out. We're getting a little bit of a break here. Still the potential for a few isolated thunderstorms to redevelop here. We're still watching that. And then also this cluster that's developed in northeast Oklahoma. I think it has the possibilities of maintaining its strength and continuing and moving back into northwest Arkansas, something we'll keep our eyes on for you. Most of the area not in the severe thunderstorm watch anymore. Still Scott, Logan, and Johnson counties until 8 a.m. It's been extended from 6 to 8 a.m. We're watching that again. This was that first round of storms, now pushing into central Arkansas and north central Arkansas. And again, a little bit of a break. We're not completely done yet out of the woods. We could see that cluster to the north moving in. Again, you had 2-3 storms at one point lined up, all severe warned here just north of I-40. Much quieter, but still a few isolated showers, parts of Logan, Franklin, and Johnson counties. Here's that cluster of storms just to the north of Tulsa. Maybe you live in eastern Oklahoma or northwest Arkansas and you're planning on heading this way, maybe out on Highway 412. We're tracking this storm, getting ready to move into the I-44 corridor in the next 30 to 45 minutes. A lot of lightning, quarter-size hail, and the potential for some damaging wind gusts around 40 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. That's moving east. Again, 30, 35 miles per hour. Puts it near XNA around 904, Fayetteville 940. So around the Arkansas state line around 9 a.m. That's where we're going to watch if it can continue to survive the trip and not weaken. And I think it's going to survive the trip. I don't think it's going to weaken. Again, Future Track radar just now picking up on it and brings it into northwest Arkansas. So we're going to watch that for you. Still could have some gusty winds. There's still instability out there. Fuel energy in the atmosphere for it to tap into. Isolated shower chance will linger through the morning hours. We're looking for a lull in the activity late morning, early afternoon. And then the atmosphere is going to try to recover if it can. We're going to try to mix in some sunshine. As we head into the evening hours, I think the chance for a few isolated thunderstorms could be on the strong side, will be there. Widespread right now doesn't look likely, but the potential for some isolated thunderstorms to wrap up the day. And the thunderstorm chance will actually continue into the overnight hours. We'll linger with a 30% chance of some showers there. And then Thursday, we're dry, we're sunny, we're hot, we're humid. Thursday night, cluster of storms is going to try to develop out in far western Oklahoma and move towards the state line. That cluster, if it can hold together, could be on the strong side Friday morning, something the entire weather team will keep our eyes on the next couple of days, and we'll keep you updated. And then we're going to continue with a rain chance picking back up on Sunday. And the heat really picks up, look at that, Monday for Juneteenth. But right now, Juneteenth celebrations look dry.